I've got some Apple Barn Nutmeg Brown paint here. I've already added some to this little bowl. And with some water. I've got an old cloth here that I just cut up. And I'm just going to dip it into this. And I'm going to rub it onto the wood. I've already pre-printed a picture off on just regular typing paper. And so we're going to take a foam brush and some Mod Podge. I'm going to coat my wood here with the Mod Podge. I just want to go as evenly as possible. I'm going to take my picture and I'm going to lay it face down. I'm going to center it. I'm just eyeballing it where I want it. I just want to make sure all the edges are down and there's no bubbles. We're going to add a thin layer, a very thin layer of Mod Podge on top of this. Also take a hairdryer to this and dry it in just a matter of minutes. It is completely dry. So I've got some warm water here in just a bowl, just some warm water. I'm just going to take and wet my finger. I'm going to wet the entire picture. Rub it until the paper comes off. See how the paper is starting to remove there? Okay, we're back. So I've already removed the paper and I've dried them with the hairdryer so they're dry. I'm gonna take some Mod Podge. And see how that kind of cloudy looks like there's still a little bit of paper on there, but I'm not gonna take any more off because it will remove the ink. And as you can see, it looks really good, I think. It sort of looks vintage, but it's adhered to the wood. But I do recommend, this is 2 times removing the paper. I do recommend just doing 1 time with the cheap Walmart paper. This is 1 time, and I think it looks better than this one that I removed 2 papers from, so, or 2 times. So 1 time I think is plenty for the Walmart paper, the cheap one. And just after you do it 1 time, take that, the top layer off as I was doing, rolling it off. Then after it dries, seal it with some Mod Podge.